Big chapter masks will just cover tiny bit. So number one thing for freedive spearfishing masks, they cannot have a clear skirt, simple as that. They can have a color skirt but not clear. Reason is where most of the time on the surface, the glare from the sun just blinds you. You cannot see the bottom. So the mask has to have a solid color skirt. It could be pink, it could be white, it could be red, it could be black, doesn't matter. Also, when you try on a mask, try to find the best fitting, lowest volume mask possible. I cannot stress that enough. And I tell people, just use this whole area and start trying them on. Anything that fits you, put it on the side.
Can you teach us how
proper
to fit a
way?
mask?
Okay, yeah, I found the mask that fits
maybe
me.
Find
actually.
one that doesn't fit also, so we could show.
Yes, definitely. So you put it on, take a small breath, and it should stick. Now it won't stick because I'm pointing out. If you are like him with a beard, it's simple. You use Vaseline, really. You just put some Vaseline here and it will have a seal. Remember, you have a snorkel in your mouth, so you just do this, and that's enough to mimic the snorkel. If the mask fits you like this, you're good. A mask that doesn't fit, you will know because you're, let's see which one doesn't fit me. I mean, none of them fits me. So you put the mask on, and you can clearly breathe. It doesn't fit.
Yeah, you have to imagine that all that air that's moving in and out on the surface is going to be water that's moving in and out underwater.
So once you find the masks that fit you, see which one is the lowest volume. And then if you are not a deep diver, don't even care about the low volume. Care about your view, your field of view. So stand on one spot and mark with one mask, left, right, top and bottom, and then put on the second mask that you are trying to decide between and mark the area again. Get the one that has the highest field of view. Simple as that.
Yeah, it has to do with the structure of your eye sockets and all that, the different configurations that will make it better. And then for those of you that are deep divers, the low volume is most important because you're gonna have to, as you get deeper and deeper, just like you have to equalize the air that's in your mask, you have to do that by actually releasing some air from your lungs through your nose into the mask so it doesn't feel like it's pulling your eyeballs out of your head. So by having a low amount of volume in the mask, you have to equalize less of that.
So, and let's cover the snorkels too. There is three kinds of snorkels. I know there is more now, but three basic kinds. There is what they call the dry snorkel. There is what they call the semi-dry snorkel and a simple J-snorkel. Dry snorkels we don't have here because they are really dangerous for freediving. The dry snorkel is a snorkel that really has a ball here or something else that literally locks it. So when you go down, it locks the air in. And those are really dangerous for us. A lot of CO2 built up. Some other issues I've heard of people thinking that it's locked and they suck water in.
Yeah, my daughter, I took her snorkeling one day and she had one of the dry snorkels. And even if they're not perfectly clean, they start malfunctioning a little bit where that ball will close, and so she'd just be on the top of the water and try to take a breath in and be, you know, and can't. And then for any new diver, it's just really bad.
So yeah, just avoid dry snorkels. If you ever bought one, get rid of it really. Semi-dry snorkel is simple. They have a valve at the bottom to release the water in there. Many people find it real easy to breathe with these snorkels, mainly because you don't have to push the water all the way up. And on the top, all it has is a protection for waves really. It's so you don't have any splashing in the snorkel.
Yeah, and keep in mind also that you know, the water draining out the bottom also is a feature more for people who are going to be snorkeling, because as we know, when we're free diving, you're taking the snorkel out of your mouth anyways. So when you get to the top of the water, that's just going to drain out naturally. You give it like on a J-snorkel, give it a quick shake, and now your snorkel's dry.
Yeah, one thing I've seen many people do actually, they use the simple J-snorkel and they think, oh, I have to blowing the water out. You really never have to do that. You remove the snorkel before you descend. When you ascend, you come to the surface, your head is out of the water, you do this, and then you put it in.
Yeah.
You don't have to put the snorkel in your mouth and keep while you're going up. You're wasting energy for no reason.
Yeah,
the main objective is to go to the surface and take a deep breath. That's it.
A really rule, like a rule that you need to stick to, is anytime you're underwater, there's no snorkel in your mouth, ever. It's compromising your airway. It's giving yourself an open mouth where water could get in and get into your lungs. Just never, ever, ever, ever have a snorkel in your mouth underwater.
Well, I hope you found that helpful. Definitely hit that like and subscribe button if you did, and leave a comment down below on what mask you like the most. I'd love to learn from you. In the next video, we're gonna cover all things floats, float lines, and more. Definitely stay safe in the water, and I'll see you on the next one.